a partially complete helicopter collective. This bit isn't done yet. This is the sensor to measure up and down movement. That's your rotor angle. Rotor speed is this thing. That's not plugged in yet either. So I've got another Arduino Mini to solder up, because there's a potentiometer in there and a weird magnetic potentiometer thing in there. But these, I guess that's engine select, and start, these all work. Engine start, hat switches, hat switch buttons. Oh fuck yeah, check that out. I'm very happy with that. It's cool. I've got an in-op here. Yeah. Oh no, that works. There's another one that's an in-op. Possibly that one. Yeah, that's not working. Doesn't like, it keeps resetting the Mini Pro when that gets pressed. So I just took it out. But yeah. Cool.